I don't have milk spray.
Everywhere I go, beauty finds its way.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gania Amuda and this is my space. So guys, this will be my first long YouTube and I want you guys to be nice, please. So on this episode, I'll be installing this full frontal, 13 by 4, 28 inches full frontal. I'll be installing this. So let's get to this. Sorry, I don't have front headline. There's no headline. First, I'm using this butterfly shadow spray. This will serve as my cue. Come check it, it's shiny. Yes. I'm doing great, right? So let it sit. So next, I feel it's now sticky. Still be using the eyeshadow spray.
I'm using the melting down band to hold it well so it won't lift up later. As you guys know, I'm only using the butterfly shadow spray on it.
So guys, let's check. It's a bit of the page. So guys, I don't know how it looks. I'm using my camera. Wow. My list is still showing. I don't have multi spray. I use this thing to clean this place. This is a chaotic edition. Should I call it a simple installation? Yes. It's maybe you're going out and you don't have maybe glue. You can actually use this butterfly shadow spray. Yeah, it's also like that. So guys, we're done. And it's looking so nice. I don't know what you guys think. Please comment below. This is the final look. And this is the lace with just this butterfly spray. Just this. So please guys, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.